As Tesla continues to push the boundaries of electric vehicle technology, the 2025 Model Y emerges as a standout in their lineup. This compact SUV has been a significant player in Tesla's mission to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. In this article, we'll dive into the key features, improvements, and overall impact of the 2025 Tesla Model Y. Design and aesthetics. The 2025 Model Y retains the sleek, modern design language that Tesla is known for, with a few notable refinements. The aerodynamic shape not only contributes to its futuristic look but also enhances efficiency. The front fascia has been subtly updated to improve airflow, and new color options offer more personalization for buyers. Performance and range. Tesla has made impressive strides in battery technology, and the 2025 Model Y benefits significantly from these advancements. With an improved battery pack, the long-range variant now boasts a range of up to 400 miles on a single charge, setting a new standard in its class. The performance variant accelerates from 0 to 16 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds, making it one of the fastest SUVs on the market. Interior and comfort. Inside, the 2025 Model Y features a minimalist yet luxurious cabin. The updated interior materials provide a more premium feel, and the new 17-inch central touchscreen offers a more responsive and intuitive user experience. Tesla's focus on sustainability is evident with the use of eco-friendly materials throughout the cabin. Technology and Autopilot. Tesla's Autopilot system continues to evolve, and the 2025 Model Y comes equipped with the latest full self-driving (FSD) software. This includes enhanced navigate on autopilot, auto lane change, and summon features. The vehicle's AI-driven systems constantly learn and improve, bringing us closer to fully autonomous driving. Safety features. Safety remains a top priority for Tesla, and the 2025 Model Y is no exception. It includes advanced safety features such as collision avoidance, emergency braking, and a suite of sensors that provide 360-degree visibility. The Model Y's robust structure and extensive crumple zones have earned it top marks in safety ratings. Charging and infrastructure. With the expansion of Tesla's supercharger network, charging the 2025 Model Y is more convenient than ever. The new V4 superchargers can add up to 200 miles of range in just 15 minutes. Additionally, Tesla's partnership with other charging networks ensures that Model Y owners have access to a vast and growing infrastructure. Pricing and availability. Tesla continues to offer competitive pricing for the Model Y, with the base model starting around $50,000. The long-range and performance variants are priced higher but offer exceptional value given their range and performance capabilities. The 2025 Model Y is available for order now, with deliveries expected to begin in late 2024. Environmental impact. Driving a 2025 Model Y not only offers the benefits of advanced technology and performance but also contributes to a greener planet. With zero tailpipe emissions and an increasing percentage of renewable energy used in Tesla's production process, the Model Y represents a significant step towards sustainable transportation. The 2025 Tesla Model Y is a testament to Tesla's relentless pursuit of innovation and sustainability. With its impressive range, cutting-edge technology, and commitment to safety, the Model Y continues to be a leader in the electric vehicle market. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, an eco-conscious driver, or someone looking for a versatile and stylish SUV, the 2025 Model Y has something to offer. For those interested in experiencing the future of driving, Visit Tesla's website or your local Tesla showroom to learn more about the 2025 Model Y. Stay tuned to our channel for more updates and in-depth reviews of the latest in automotive technology. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay informed about all things Tesla.